Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
On this summer day, Castle Rock Elementary
Okay, upside down?
Yep.
feels a bit like Cape Canaveral. Douglas County teachers are trying out hands-on NASA-inspired experiments,
So we're going to pour water in here, you're going to put the lid on, and then you're going to turn it over and it's going to take off.
learning how they can integrate lessons in physics and rocket propulsion into elementary school classrooms,
And I got to put this on that fast?
Super fast.
all as a vehicle to teach kids inquiry.
It's still not going to do it.
Would you like me to show you?
Well, no. I want to learn by myself.
Or in other words,
Well, we're going to find out.
it's how to think like a scientist. It's this type of learning that DCSD wants to see in every classroom.
The lesson in the end?
Yeah.
Play. Oh, success.
Kids need to be moving, they need to be talking, they need to be comparing, they need to be doing things that allow them to be engaged. They don't need to be sitting still.
First, we're hoping that the raft will be buoyant and float.
In fact, the entire science camp has been engineered by the world-class education department to not only model activities that incorporate the 4 C's: collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking,
Cut the top part off.
but also the highly effective teaching techniques that really foster this high-level learning, including backwards design, performance assessments, and great student engagement.
Now, to be real scientists, what are some variables they can change in the design of the Legos to make the birds behave differently?
In many cases, it pushes teachers outside of their comfort zones.
All right.
We chose to do the tablecloth and see if we could be magicians. We need to do some more work before we're ready to go on TV with that.
Making them realize that they don't have to know all the physics magic behind the trick.
We keep telling them that's not what's most important. It's the inquiry process that's most important. It's the questioning, it's the problems, it's the wondering, what do I do next, and where does this learning take me next in my journey?
In my classroom, that's what I tell the kids. Everybody in this room is a teacher. I'm not the person who knows all the answers, and I have no problem at all with a kid asking me a question I don't know, saying, I don't know, let's find out together.
Christy Johnson and the other teachers say it's well worth spending 2 days of summer vacation learning, knowing that this mission will excite their students come fall.
I'm doing this because it makes me a better learner and it makes me a better teacher.